Today, let's talk about an extremely important Uyghur ingredient or recipe in our daily life, and that's milk. Milk stands for purity and cleanliness. Everybody drinks everyday milk tea, and every Uyghur mother or grandmother can make milk tea. It's very important to us in our Uyghur daily life. In my hometown, there are farmers with cows. The women went to the market, they bring a jar of milk and qaymaq. Qaymaq is a chunk of layered milk fat. And today we are going to make that milk tea with qaymaq. Let's begin. The recipe is dried ginger, black tea, salt, and of course milk. We are going to make qaymaq. For the qaymaq, I have a few tips about the pan. It should be big. It makes easier to collect the qaymaq, and it should be flat. And about the milk, I got this milk from the European supermarket. It has a little bit of sugar in it. The perfect situation is you get the milk from a farmer. It has a natural flavor. In this case, we get a little bit sweet qaymaq. Turn the fire down to the low heat, and the process of making qaymaq takes long time, so you should be patient. The milk is warmed up a little bit. I'm going to bring it to the smallest fire and the lowest heat. Can you see the surface of the milk? That's what we need. I'm going to collect it with a spoon like this. While you're collecting the layer of milk fat, you are also going to mix the bottom of the pan. Otherwise, the milk sticks on the pan. I'm going to take it out. Look at this. This looks so delicious. This is qaymaq. If you want more qaymaq, you should keep going like this. For the milk tea, use boiling water and put black tea in it. The tea should be very heavy and dark, so make sure put enough black tea in it. Now it's ready. I'm going to use bigger pan for the milk tea. Turn on the fire. I'm going to use strainer. Turn the fire down to the low heat. And break it open. Put it in the tea. Put in the milk. It's almost ready. Be patient. Let it slowly boil and pour the milk tea. This way it makes a little bit creamy. Put in enough salt. It makes the flavor of the ginger and tea more intense. It should be slightly salty. It looks so delicious. Before you put it in the bowl, pour it again like this. Mix it. This way of making milk tea, we call it atkan chai, and we serve atkan chai the most of the time with naan, gosh naan, sometimes with salad and walnut, raisins. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next week. Bye!